Welcome to Doing Our Bit, and a special welcome to all new subscribers, and thanks to everybody for spending your time here. Finally, on the 16th of August, we've replaced our Gas Combi Boiler and 7 radiators which were taken out, and replaced it with 2 outdoor Daikin multi-split units to provide air conditioning through 5 indoor units, with the addition of a smart tank to provide hot water, which was a Mixergy 150 litre, and a smart towel rail in the bathroom. In this video I'll show you the install process and also some early thoughts on the system, and obviously I'll revisit this when I've got a bit more data to share. Our house was due redecoration and certainly new carpets anyway, and that was useful because this level of disruption, removing obviously the radiators and surface pipework, really makes this necessary. I should say our house was deemed unsuitable for a normal air to water heat pump because of the length of the pipe run, but suitable for this solution because 3 of the main rooms could be accessed without actually any internal ducting at all. The motivation was certainly environmental, to go 100% electric while ditching gas entirely, but also to enjoy the benefits of cooling, more of that later, and to reduce costs generally monthly as far as possible, despite the fact that this is probably the most expensive option given that there isn't a government grant towards it, despite the fact it helps towards the push towards net zero. The company we chose to work with was Inafix in Shaftesbury, which does the installs for EcoBubble, and you'll find links to both companies in the notes below. This is the Onecta app that allows you to control each unit separately and has schedules for adding a level of automation. I said I would share early experiences of the system, and the first nice surprise was how little power the units draw. We had an unexpected heat wave, if you remember, back in September, and our bedroom hit 30 degrees, which we were able to cool to a comfortable 21 degrees all night for under 2 kilowatts, largely off peak of course, but likewise for heating, as you can see from the solar battery on this day, covered the majority. The Mixergy tank has worked well to date, heating the water up at 3 AM at a modest cost, and the smart towel rail has been great, particularly as it is independent of the system, so unlike when we had gas, we can dry the towels on a pre-programmed cycle. We had to wait a month to have our gas meter removed, so paid the standing charge for every day. So worth booking this ahead of time. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Hope you found this short video useful, and if so, please like and subscribe so you won't miss any future videos on this subject. And I'll see you in the next one.